Hey, it's Radhika. Hope you all are fine. And today's video is on how to make a waterproof stencil. So let's get started. And ingredients which I'm using is cotton for sponge painting, and nail polish is the main ingredient in this. And you can take scissors, shears, or trimmers for paper cutting. And please be careful while using it. Paints, any color you can use. Just for demo I'm showing the paints. So I have cutted my stencils with scissors. Okay, even I can use trimmer. See, now what you will tell, when I can use OHB sheets, plastic sheets for making the stencils, why you're showing waterproof paper, something like that. But cutting on OHB sheets is very difficult than paper. I can make minute changes in paper, but on plastic, when I'll try to cut right, we have to use more force than paper. So this is it. Now let's get started with nail polish. Every girl will be having a nail polish in her home. I have some ideas of how to make a old nail polish into new. Okay, at the end of the video I'll show that also. Even I have made many stencils, but in one use it would just get tore. So I just thought to make something new, to put some ideas, because of now it is also lockdown, and to think creative. No one will stop you, right? And one more thing, you have to paint it very thickly if you want, or lightly. The way you use your stencils, if you will use it again and again, so make sure every corner is painted. And even if you want, you can paint the whole square part, so that when you use, right, the side paint will not go the paper, otherwise the paper will get tore. And main thing is, you have to paint the nail polish both on front and back side. So I'll just fast forward the video. Now this is dry, and you know in 10 or 15 minutes it will get dry. I'll just show the demo. See, I have took the water on the paintbrush, and see, it is 100% waterproof now. I was really amazed. I have just got this idea 2 days before, and I'm so excited to make this video right now. This is really waterproof, and it'll, even it is like when you pull the design, right, it will not come out. I was so excited to make this video, and just I'll show the demo very quickly. You'll just be able to see. I have cut the design. Now take the paint. Now see, I have just done the borders, and if I'll paint it at outside, it may come a little bit, because if I did not paint there, from there my design will come outside. But if you want, just paint the whole paper with the nail polish. And now see, upper design is there, it just absorbed the paint, and this design did not absorb the paint. See, even if I'll pull it, now this came outside. I'm putting my force on that, but it's not coming. Now this is a COVID time, and everybody will be having sanitizers, and sanitizer is mixed with alcohol. So see, how to use it, you'll think. Just take it and spray it inside. Even you can use your nail paint remover, nail remover, and mix it, and your nail polish will become new. Even if your nail polish is dry, try it and tell me in comments, please. If you have any doubts, ask me. Thanks for watching.